we are going to work on the first test, and first test is on article the. First test is on article the. Okay, first test is on article the. So where do we use article the? We use article the in expressions such as middle of, top of. We use the article. All right, just repeat after me. This is the middle of the floor.
This is the middle
This
of
is
the
the middle of the floor.
Okay, only Aman is repeating after me. Others should go mute. Okay, this is the middle of the floor.
This is the middle of the floor.
This is the front of the table.
This is the front of the table.
This is the back of the letter.
This is the back of the letter.
This is the edge of the book.
This is the edge of the book.
This is the corner of the house.
This is the corner of the house.
This is the side of the desk.
This is the side of the desk.
This is the top of the letter.
This is the top of the letter.
Now make the sentences, Aman. That is the middle of the floor.
From where, sir?
That is the middle of the floor. Make the sentences quick.
सर मतलब दिस से भी बनाना है, दैट से भी बनाना है?
अरे that से बनाना है बच्चा.
Okay, sir.
बोलो that is the middle of the floor. बोलो.
That is the middle of the floor. That is the front of the table. That is the back of the letter. That is the edge of the book. That is the corner of the house. That is the side of the desk. That is the top of the desk.
Got it? So in this way, you are writing the sentences here. You are writing the sentences here. Okay. Now next is you are describing this. Okay. You are describing this. So Swati ji, repeat after me. Swati ji, repeat after me. This is the beginning. Then you are describing this beginning. आपको क्या करना है? इस beginning को describe करना है. This is the beginning I expected. मतलब यही वो शुरुआत है जो मैं चाह रहा था. यही हीच ती सुरुवात आहे जी मला हवी होती. This is the beginning I expected. हीच ती सुरुवात आहे जी मला हवी होती. In this way, okay? Swati ji, repeat after me.
Yes.
This is the beginning I expected.
This is the beginning I expected.
This is the woman I met in the market.
This is the woman I met in the market.
This is the child who got the bravery award.
This is the child who got the bravery award.
This is the time I learnt English.
This is the time I learned English.
This is the place I started my job.
This is the place I started of the job.
This is the place I started my job.
This is the place I started my job.
This is the house I bought last month.
This is the house I bought of lunch.
This is the horse I saw in the race.
This is the horse I saw in the race.
This is the end I did not expect.
This is the end I did not accept.
This is the old man I met in the market.
This is the old man I met
In
on
the market.
in the market.
This is the office I purchased last month.
This is the office I purchased in the last month.
This is the address I received yesterday.
This is the address I received yesterday.
This is the American I met in Mumbai.
This is the American I met in Mumbai.
This is the hour I am learning English.
This is the hour I am learning English.
This is the university I passed graduation.
This is the university I passed the graduation.
This is the European I met in New York.
This is the European I met in New York.
This is the uniform I purchased last month.
This is the uniform I purchased in last month.
Got it, everybody? Okay, now you are going to solve the next test. Next is about commands and requests. So you are studying this table and you are making the sentences. So
hello sir.
So here are the sentences about
Hello.
request. Yes, Ganesh.
हा सर, सॉरी सर, पण आता जे तुम्ही वाक्य सांगितलं त्यापासून वाक्य तयार करायचे आहेत का?
हो.
हा ठीक आहे.
अनेकदा सांगू का गणेश?
हा,
अनेकदा सांगतो. ओके, बोला माझ्यानंतर. दिस इज द बिगिनिंग. गणेश बोला माझ्यानंतर. दिस इज द बिगिनिंग.
This is the beginning.
That is the beginning.
That is the beginning.
Here is the beginning.
Here is the beginning.
There is the beginning.
There is the beginning.
अशी पण वाक्य तुम्ही तयार करू शकता. ऑलराइट. हा तुम्ही तयार करा आता स्वतः. दिस इज द वुमन. बोला.
This is the woman. That is the woman. Here is the woman. There is the woman.
हा बोला. दिस इज द चाइल्ड.
This is the child. That is the child. Here is the child. There is the child.
करेक्ट. व्हेरी गुड. बोला. दिस इज द टाइम.
This is the place na sir ka time.
दिस इज
हाँ,
द
sir.
टाइम. हा.
This is the time. That is the time. Here is the time. And there is the time. त्यानंतर this is the place. That is the place. Here is the place. There is the place. This is the house. That is the house. Here is the house. There is the house. Anthony, this is the horse. That is the horse. Here is the horse. There is the horse. This is the end. That is the end. Here is the end. There is the end. This is the old man. That is the old man. Here is the old man. There is the old man. This is the office. That is the office. Here is the office. There is the office. This is the address. That is the address. Here is the address. And there is the address.
करेक्ट.
पुढचे दिसत नाही सर. पुढचे दिसत नाही सर.
आता दिसतंय का?
थोडं खाली घ्या ना सर. दिसत नाही ते.
ओके ओके ओके. ओके दिसतं.
ठीक आहे सर.
हा.
This is the American. That is the American. Here is the American. There is the American. This is the horse. That is the horse. Here is the horse. There is the horse. This is the university. That is the university. Here is the university. There is the university. This is the European. That is the European. Here is the European. There is the European. This is the uniform. That is the uniform. Here is the uniform. There is the uniform.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
सर आता जे सेंटेन्स बनवले ना आपण तर ते शॉर्ट मध्ये बनवायचे का पूर्ण सेंटेन्स बनवायचे?
शॉर्ट मध्ये बनवायचे पण आणि पूर्ण पण बनवायचे. खरं पूर्ण बनवलेलं चांगलं.
बर.
जास्तीत जास्त पूर्ण सेंटेन्सेस बनवा. ऑलराइट. शॉर्ट सेंटेन्स बनवू नका. परंतु कुणाला जर शॉर्ट सेंटेन्स पूर्ण सेंटेन्स बनवताना अवघड जात असेल त्यांनी शॉर्ट सेंटेन्स बनवा. ऑलराइट.
Okay. Okay, sir.
ठीक आहे.
All right, now we are going to use the article with the commands, request or imperative sentences. Commands, request or imperative sentences. Nachiket, Savita madam, Sunita madam, we are working on test. So this is the first test we are working on. All right. आपण
Yes,
टेस्ट सॉल्व करतोय आणि हा फर्स्ट टेस्ट आहे द आर्टिकल विषयीचा. ओके. माझ्यानंतर बोलायचं आहे. सुनीता मॅडम माझ्यानंतर बोला. टर्न ऑन द फॅन.
Turn on the fan.
Turn off the switches.
Turn off the switches.
Repair the computer.
Repair the computer.
Buy the oven.
Buy the oven.
नाउ आता तुम्हाला ह्या रिकाम्या जागेमध्ये काय लिहायचंय? Here you are writing the negative command. Here you are writing the negative command or negative request. I will tell you turn on the fan and you are writing here don't turn on the fan. Okay. Yeah. Tell me the negative command, Sunita madam. Turn on the fan.
Don't turn on the fan.
Turn off the switches.
Turn off the switches. Don't repair the computer. Don't buy the oven. Don't sell the radio. Don't install the television set.
Start.
Don't give the watch. Don't take the ticket. Don't look at the refrigerator. Don't maintain the printer. Don't order the food. Don't place the mobile. Don't keep the color. Don't take out the inverter.
Don't take out the inverter and don't keep the cooler. Got it? So in this way we talked about the first test. We have successfully completed our first test. Now we are working on the second test. So in the second test, we are working on a or an article. In the second test, we are working on a or an article. So everybody knows where to use a article. We use a article with the consonant sounds and we use an article with the vowel sound. जे स्वर असतील a, e, i, o, u तर आपल्याला काय वापरायचं आहे? an article वापरायचं आहे. स्वर म्हणजे स्वरांचे उच्चारण म्हणजे ए सेज ä, ई सेज ए, आय सेज ई, ओ सेज अ, यू सेज अ, असे जर उच्चारण असतील तर आपल्याला काय वापरायचं आहे? ए आर्टिकल वापरायचं आहे. आणि जर सॉरी ॲन आर्टिकल वापरायचं आहे. आणि जर कॉन्सोनंट प्रमाणे उच्चारण असतील तर आपल्याला ए आर्टिकल वापरायचं आहे. ऑलराईट, म्हणजे एई आयओयू चे उच्चारण नसतील तर आपल्याला ए आर्टिकल वापरायचं आहे. आणि एई आयओयू चे उच्चारण असतील तर आपल्याला ॲन आर्टिकल वापरायचं आहे. समजलं? नचिकेत, आन्सर मी.
Okay, sir.
Add a or an article to these common nouns. Okay, add a or an article to these common nouns and write in the next sentences. Okay, fill in the blanks or make the sentences in the blank lines. All right, just repeat after me. Nachiket, teacher, a teacher. You are making the sentences. Teacher.
This is a teacher.
No, don't make the sentences. Just add a or an. Teacher.
A teacher.
Accountant.
An accountant.
An accountant.
Electrician.
An electrician.
An electrician.
Okay, businessman.
A business.
A businessman.
Grocer.
A grocer.
Correct. Umpire.
An umpire.
Okay, receptionist.
A receptionist.
Okay, actor.
An actor.
Okay, banker.
A banker.
Exporter.
An exporter.
Okay, Udayji, unmute yourself. Doctor.
A doctor.
Player.
A player.
Author.
An author.
Postman.
A postman.
Professor.
A professor.
Doctor.
A doctor.
Librarian.
A librarian.
Actress.
An actress.
Entertainer.
An entertainer.
Okay, painter.
A painter.
Policeman.
A policeman.
Pilot.
A pilot.
Employer.
An employer.
Worker.
A worker.
Educator.
An educated.
Tailor.
A tailor.
Editor.
An editor.
Peon.
A peon.
Executive.
An executive.
Maid.
A maid.
Got it? In this way you are adding a or an to these common nouns.
Okay,
Now here you can make the sentences. Okay, here you can make the sentences. Karan, repeat after me. Karan, this is a bingo game.
This is the bingo game.
That is a bingo game.
That is the bingo game.
There is a bingo game.
There is a bingo game.
Here is a bingo game.
Here is a bingo game.
This isn't a bingo game.
This isn't a bingo game.
That isn't a bingo game.
That isn't bingo game.
There isn't a bingo game.
There isn't a bingo game.
Here isn't a bingo game.
Here isn't a bingo game.
Okay, just make the sentences. This is an idiot box. Make the sentences.
This is an
Okay.
idiot box. This is
That is
and that is
an idiot box.
idiot box. There is idiot box. There is idiot box. This is not idiot box. That is not
An idiot box.
an idiot box. There is not an idiot box. There is not an idiot box.
Okay, very good, very good. Ronak, make the sentences. This is a good job.
This is a good job. That is a good job. There is a good job. Here is a good job. This isn't a good job. That isn't a good job. There isn't a good job. Here isn't a good job. This is rotten plum. This is a rotten plum. That is a rotten plum. There is a rotten plum. Here is a rotten plum. This isn't a rotten plum. That isn't a rotten plum. There isn't a rotten plum. Here isn't a rotten plum. This is a used fork. That is a used fork. There is a used fork. Here is a used fork.
Sir, an येणार ना?
हा, used fork नाही, य आहे ना त्याचं उच्चारण. यू चे दोन उच्चारण आहेत.
I E O U.
हा AEIOU यू यू मधले यूचे दोन उच्चारण असतात. एक
Okay.
असतं युसेज अ म्हणजे
हा.
अम्ब्रेला, अंपायर. तर युसेज अ असेल तर ॲन आर्टिकल येणार. जसं
Okay.
युसेज अ म्हणजे अम्ब्रेला तर ॲन अम्ब्रेला,
Okay.
अंपायर तर ॲन अंपायर. ओके.
Okay.
आणि युसेज य पण असतं. य तर
अच्छा.
युसेज
ठीक
य
ठीक.
असेल तर अ आर्टिकल येणार. जसं
बरं.
अ युनिट, अ युनिव्हर्सिटी, अ युज्ड फोर्क. कळालं?
अच्छा अच्छा. ठीक आहे सर. ओके.
Okay, Ronak, start. This is a used fork.
This isn't a used fork. That isn't a used fork. There isn't a used fork. Here isn't a used fork. This is an uncle.
Correct?
That
Got it? Udayji,
Yes, yes,
this is
yes,
an
yes.
uncle. Huh.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
this is an uncle. That is an uncle. There is an uncle. Here is an uncle. This isn't an uncle. That isn't an uncle. There isn't an uncle. Here isn't an uncle.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Now, next. So, in this way, we solved two
Sir?
tests. Two
Sir?
tests now. Yes, yes, please.
Sir, we have to like Ronak and others were making sentences like we can make only that sentences only. मतलब उतने ही sentence उतना
No,
वो
no.
एक
See,
sentence.
this is if you want to make other sentences, you can make other sentences too. No problem. All right. But if you are not getting other sentences to make, or if you are not able to make other sentences, then you can make these same sentences. But if you make sentences, then you will get the benefit. If you make sentences, then your English will be correct, your writing will be correct, your reading will be correct, your speaking will be correct, and your listening will be correct. मैंने अभी तक देखा है कि जो लोग टेस्ट अपीयर करते हैं और टेस्ट सॉल्व करते हैं, उनकी अंग्रेजी बहुत ही स्टैंडर्ड लेवल की हो जाती है. वो बिल्कुल बेसिक से उन्होंने अंग्रेजी सीखना चालू किया, लेकिन उन्होंने टेस्ट कंप्लीट किया. तो जिन्होंने टेस्ट कंप्लीट किया, उनकी अंग्रेजी बहुत स्टैंडर्ड हो चुकी है. और जिन्होंने टेस्ट कंप्लीट नहीं किया है, उनको लगता है कि यार थोड़ा सा अभी मिस्टेक हो रहा है. तो थोड़ा सा जो मिस्टेक हो रहा है ऐसा लगता है, वो टेस्ट करने के बाद निकल जाता है. वो टेस्ट करने के बाद निकल जाता ना है. इसलिए मैं सभी को बोलूंगा कि आप सभी को टेस्ट करना है.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aman, you ask the questions in doubt sessions. Only two questions are allowed for you. Others cannot ask the questions. Only Aman can ask two questions. And Aman, other questions you can ask in doubt sessions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Now, because we do not have time, we have to complete a lot of tests today. Aman. All right. So, Aman, now we are going to work on the third test, and third test is on singular plural. Our third test is on singular plural. So, everybody knows that what are the rules to make the singular to plural. But then also I will tell you in short. First rule is what? If you want to make plural of any common noun, then you just need to add s to common noun, then it will be plural. Like mobile, mobiles, teacher, teachers, doctor, doctors, player, players. Second rule.
Yes.
Second rule is what? If the word ends with yes, sh, ch, x, or o, and if you want to make it plural, then just add es. Like mango, mangoes, bus, buses, dish, dishes, watch, watches. All right. Third rule, if the word ends with y, यदि words के पीछे y है और y के पहले यदि AEIOU नहीं है, y के पहले यदि AEIOU नहीं है, मतलब क्या है, कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड है, तो आपको क्या करना है, y निकालना है और उसकी जगह पर IES लगाना है. उसकी जगह पर क्या लगाना है, IES लगाना है. तो बेबी का क्या होगा, बेबीज. लेडी का क्या होगा, लेडीज. कंट्री का क्या होगा, कंट्रीज. स्टडी का क्या होगा, स्टडीज. गैलरी का क्या होगा, गैलरीज. और इसके उल्टा नियम है अभी लास्ट फोर्थ वाला. क्या उल्टा नियम है, यदि किसी कॉमन नाउन के पीछे y है और y के पहले AEIOU इसमें से कोई वर्ड है, तो क्या हो जाएगा, आपको सिर्फ यस लगाना है। क्या लगाना है आपको? सिर्फ यस लगाना है। तो बॉय का क्या होगा? बॉयज। बॉय का क्या होगा? बॉयज।
Boys.
ओके। टॉय का क्या होगा? टॉयज। TOY यस आएगा बस। डे का क्या होगा? डेज। DAY यस आएगा। की का क्या होगा? कीज। KEY यस आएगा। अब नेक्स्ट, यदि वर्ड्स के पीछे एफ और FE है, यदि वर्ड्स के पीछे एफ और FE है और उनको आपको यदि प्लूरल बनाना है, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? एफ और FE निकालना पड़ेगा और उसकी जगह पर आपको क्या लगाना पड़ेगा? VES लगाना पड़ेगा। क्या लगाना पड़ेगा? VES।
VES.
लीफ का क्या होगा? लीव्स। वाइफ का क्या होगा? वाइव्स।
Wives.
स्टडी का लीफ का क्या? लाइफ का क्या होगा? लाइव्स। ओके। और सब और ज्यादा कुछ एक्सेप्शन वाले भी रूल हैं, वो आपको, जैसे बहुत सारे, जेंटलमैन का क्या होगा? जेंटलमैन। वुमन का क्या होगा? वुमेन। गूज का क्या होगा? गीज। चाइल्ड का क्या होगा? चिल्ड्रेन। फुट का क्या होगा? फीट। बी का क्या होगा? बीज। मदर इन
सर,
लॉ
और
का क्या
sheep
होगा?
का sheep ही होता है, sheep का sheep ही
शीप
होता है
का
सर।
शीप। ओके। मदर इन लॉ का क्या होगा? मदर्स इन लॉ। ब्रदर इन लॉ का क्या होगा? ब्रदर्स इन लॉ। गॉट इट? विनायक, now you are going to tell me the plural of these common nouns. Okay. Branch, make the plural of these common nouns. Branch, branches.
Branches.
Match,
Matches.
pass,
Passes.
dish.
Dishes.
Okay. Watch,
Watches.
Watches.
fox,
Fox.
foxes. Place,
Places.
voice,
Voices.
change.
Changes.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Now, Swati ji, you are telling me. Change,
Change.
changes.
Changes.
Page,
Pages.
house,
Houses.
phrase,
Phrases.
size,
Sizes.
candy,
Candies.
city,
Cities.
hero,
Heroes.
mosquito,
Mosquitoes.
potato,
Potatoes.
tomato,
Tomatoes.
sheep.
Sheep.
Correct. Volcano,
Volcanoes.
casino,
Casinos.
piano,
Pianos.
radio,
Radios.
ratio,
Ratios.
solo,
Solos.
studio,
Studios.
brother-in-law,
Brothers-in-law.
brothers-in-law, daughter-in-law,
Daughters-in-law.
father-in-law.
Fathers-in-law.
Okay, in this way we talked about this test, and you are going to write the plural of these common nouns in this column. In the second column and in fourth column, you are writing the plural of all these common nouns. All right. Now we are going to move ahead with
सर
next.
3B का क्या आएगा?
बी का बीज आएगा। आपका नाम क्या है? रौनक। RONAK. So there are no more. Ronak Baba. If we say Baba, so Baba, it means there are two B's in the Baba word. There are two B's in Baba word. Got it? So three it means मतलब बाबा इस शब्द में 2 B है, ऐसा बोलना है। तो आपको क्या बोलेंगे? There are 2 B's in बाबा। मेरे मोबाइल नंबर में 4 जीरो है। मेरे मोबाइल नंबर में 4 जीरो है। तो आप कैसे बोलेंगे? There are 4 zeros in my mobile number. There are 4 zeros in my mobile number. मेरे मोबाइल में 4 9 है। 4 9 है। 4 9 है। तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? There are 4 9s in my mobile number. Got it, everybody? Okay. Now we are making the sentences of singular and plural. We are making the sentences of singular and plural. All right. Just repeat after me. Sunita ji, repeat after me. This is a baby.
This is a baby.
These are 2 babies.
These are 2 babies.
That is a baby.
That is a baby.
Those are 2 babies.
Those are 2 babies.
There is a baby.
There is a baby.
There are two babies.
There are two babies.
Here is a baby.
Here is a baby.
Here are two babies.
Here are two babies.
Now make the sentences. This is a foot. These are 2 feet. Make the sentences.
This is a foot. These are 2 feet. That is a bus. Those are 2 buses. There is a potato. There are 2 potatoes. Here is a table. Here are 2 tables. This is a candy. These are 2 candies. That is a woman. Those are 2 women. There is a rubber. There are 2 rubbers. Here is a girl. Here are 2 girls. This is an umbrella. These are 2 umbrellas. That is a box. Those are 2 boxes. There is a tree. There are 2 trees. Here is a bag. Here are 2 bags.
Okay, in this way, everybody is making the sentences, and you are writing these all sentences in this in these blank lines. In these blank lines, you are writing the sentences. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this was a third
Hello?
test. Yes, Ganesh.
सर ऐका ना सर, माझं सिंग्युलर आणि प्लुरलचं माझं लेक्चर का झालेलं नाहीये.
ओके,
तरी
मी
सुद्धा
तुम्हाला काय सांगितलं गणेश, तुमचे मी एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर घेणार आहे आणि त्या एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर मध्ये कव्हर करणार आहे. ओके,
तरी सुद्धा सर मग मला जेवढं आता कळलं ना, मी त्याच्या बेसवर लिहून काढतो तरी सुद्धा.
अरे वा, ग्रेट ग्रेट, व्हेरी गुड, गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब. फारच छान होऊन जाईल, फारच छान होऊन जाईल. ओके, हे टेस्ट आता तर समजतायत ना तुम्हाला मी जे सांगतोय ते?
हो सर.
ओके, व्हेरी गुड, गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब. तरी सुद्धा मी तुमचं एक्स्ट्रा टेस्ट घेणार आहे, एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर घेणार आहे. दररोज माझं एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर असतं, परंतु तुम्ही अटेंड करू शकत नाही कारण का तुम्ही जॉब वरती आहात. परंतु तुमच्यासाठी मी संध्याकाळी वगैरे एक्स्ट्रा टेस्ट घेईन. ओके
ओके सर.
Okay, now we are going to work on next general English grammar test number 4, and this test is about to be forms present. To be forms present. So you are using this table and you are making the sentences and you are writing you are using these words and you are making the sentences and you are writing the sentences in this test and you are writing the sentences in this test. All right, got it everybody? Now I will tell you how to make the sentences. All right, so first column is about positive sentences of to be forms. To be forms, it means MR is. To be forms का मतलब क्या है? MR is. To be forms, it means MR is. And to be forms present, it means MR is. To be forms past, it means was, were. And to be forms future, it means will be and shall be. So how you are going to make the sentences? Just repeat after me. Ganesh, repeat after me. I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
We are teachers.
We are teachers.
You are a teacher.
You are a teacher.
You are teachers.
You are a teachers.
You are पहिलं यू हे एकवचनी यू आहे, त्यामुळे होणार यू आर अ टीचर. दुसरं यू आहे ते प्लुरल यू आहे, म्हणजे तुम्ही सर्वजण. तर त्याला काय होणार? यू आर टीचर्स होणार, अ किंवा एन येणार नाही. ओके, अनेकदा बोला. You are a teacher.
You are a teacher.
You are teachers.
You are teachers.
They are teachers.
They are teachers.
Ram and Sham are teachers.
Ram and Sham are teachers.
These are teachers.
These are teachers.
Those are teachers.
Those are teachers.
He is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
She is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
Ram is a teacher.
Ram is a teacher.
This is a teacher.
This is a teacher.
That is a teacher.
That is a teacher.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now who will make the sentences? I am a. Okay, Nachiket, will you make the sentences?
Sir,
Aman, will you make the sentences? Make the sentences, Aman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nachiket, make the sentences. Nachiket.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am a doctor. Make the sentences.
I am a doctor. We are doctor.
We are doctors.
We are doctors. You are doctors.
You are a doctor.
You are a doctor, and you are a doctors.
They are
and they are a doctor.
doctors.
They are doctors.
Hmm.
Ram and Shyam are doctors.
These are,
Doctors. These are doctors.
those are.
Those are doctors. He is a doctor. She is a doctor. Ram is a doctor. This is a doctor. That is a doctor.
Okay, Aman, now make the negative sentences. I am not a singer. Make the negative sentences. I am not a singer.
I am not a singer. We are not a singer. We are not singers. You are not You are not a singer. You are not singers. They are not singers. Ram and Shyam are not singers. These are not singers. Those are not singers. He is not a singer. She is not a singer. Ram is not a singer. This is not a singer. That is not a singer.
Okay, Udayji, make the questions. Am I a player? Am I a player? Third column. Am I a player? Unmute kara.
Am I a player? Are we a players?
Are we players?
Are we players? Are you player? Are you players? Are they players? Are Ram and Shyam players? Are these players? Are those players? Is he player? Is she player? Is Ram player? Is this player? Is that player?
Okay, very good. Good job. Sunita madam, make the questions. Aren't I a mechanic?
Aren't I a mechanic? Aren't we mechanics? Aren't you a mechanic? Aren't you mechanics? Aren't they mechanics? Aren't Ram and Shyam mechanics? Aren't these mechanics? Aren't those mechanics? Isn't he mechanics? Sir, mechanics येईल नाही
नाही नाही, एक वचन आहे ना ते. ही एकच आहे ना. Isn't he a mechanic?
Isn't he mechanic? Isn't she mechanic? Isn't Ram mechanic? Isn't this mechanic? Isn't that mechanic?
Very good. In this way, you are going to use all these words and you are making the sentences. You are making the sentences here. Now next, Swati madam. Okay, repeat after me. It is a library.
It is a library.
This is a library.
This is a library.
That is a library.
That is a library.
They are libraries.
They are libraries.
These are libraries.
These are libraries.
Those are libraries.
Those are libraries.
Make the sentences. It is a supermarket.
It is a supermarket. This is a supermarket. That is a supermarket. They are supermarkets. These are supermarkets. Those are supermarkets.
It is an office.
It is
an office.
It is an office. This is an office. That is an office. They are
offices.
Offices. These are offices. Those are offices.
Okay, very good. Karan, make the sentences. It is not a hospital.
It is not a hospital. This is not a hospital. That is not a hospital. They are not hospitals. These are not hospitals. Those are hospitals.
Those are not hospitals.
Oh.
Okay, make one more questions. It is not a college.
It is not a college. This is not a college. That is not a colleges. They are not a colleges. These are not colleges. Those are not colleges.
Avedna, can you make the questions?
Yes, sir.
Is it a classroom?
Is it a classroom? Is this a classroom? Is that a classroom? Are classrooms?
Are they classrooms?
Are they classrooms? Are these classrooms? Are those classrooms?
Okay. Is it a hostel?
Is it a hostel? Is this a hostel? Is that is hostel? Are they hostels? Are these hostels? Are those hostels?
Okay. Okay, Ronak, make the sentences. Make the questions. Isn't it a city?
Isn't it a city? Isn't this a city? Isn't that a city? Aren't they cities? Aren't these cities? Aren't those cities?
Isn't it a laptop?
Isn't it a laptop? Isn't this a laptop? Isn't that a laptop? Aren't they laptops? Aren't these laptops? Aren't those laptops?
Now, Udayji, make the
Yes, sir.
sentences, make the questions again. Isn't it a supermarket?
Isn't it a supermarket? Isn't this a supermarket? Isn't that a supermarket? Aren't they supermarkets? Aren't these a supermarkets? Aren't those a supermarkets?
अ नाही येणार.
नाही.
अनेक वचनासोबत अ नाही येणार. Aren't they,
Okay.
aren't these, aren't those बरोबर अ नाही येणार. फक्त isn't
Okay.
it, isn't this, isn't that बरोबरच अ येणार.
अनेक वचनीमध्ये नाहीये.
हा, पहिले तीन सोबत अ ॲन येणार नाही. दुसऱ्या तीन
Okay.
सोबतच अ किंवा ॲन येणार. बनवा. Isn't
Okay.
it a dictionary? बनवा.
Isn't it a dictionary? Isn't this a dictionary? Isn't that a dictionary?
Aren't they dictionaries?
Aren't they dictionary? Aren't these dictionary? Aren't those dictionary?
Aren't they dictionaries?
Okay, sir.
बनवा.
Aren't they dictionaries? Aren't these dictionaries? Aren't those dictionaries?
Okay. Very good. Good job. In this way, we have completed our this syllabus. It is the
Sir?
fourth test. This was the fourth test we finished.
Sir,
Now
can
we are going to work
any
on the
subject?
fifth. Now we are going to work on the fifth test. Fifth test is on to be forms past. Fifth test is on to be forms past. Okay, to be forms past. These all tests are available on our mobile application. So you can see those all the tests and you can solve it every day. And
Okay.
send us on our email. Send us on our email at inspiringenglishacademy@gmail.com. inspiringenglishacademy@gmail.com.
Sir, can you put this in the chat?
Yes, I will put it in the chat. Don't worry. So make the PDF of it. Make the PDF of it, and please send that PDF to our email ID, Inspiring English Academy. This is famous, Inspiring English Academy. This is famous word. Inspiring English Academy @gmail.com. Simple. All right.
Okay, sir.
Now General English Grammar Test 5 to be forms past. So we have not in to be forms past में कुछ अलग नहीं है. सिर्फ m की जगह पर was लगाना है, r की जगह पर were लगाना है और is की जगह पर was लगाना है. Got it? So Ganesh, you are repeating after me. Ganesh, you are repeating after me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just repeat after me. I was a grocer.
I was a grocer.
We were grocers.
We were grocers.
You were a grocer.
You were a grocer.
You were grocers.
You were grocers.
They were grocers.
They were grocers.
Ram and Sham were grocers.
Ram and Sham were grocers.
He was a grocer.
He was a grocer.
She was a grocer.
He was a grocer.
Ram was a grocer.
काय सर?
Ram was a grocer. Grocer म्हणजे किराणा माल विक्रेता.
हाँ.
Ram was a grocer.
Ram was a grocer.
This was a grocer.
This was a grocer.
That was a grocer.
That was a grocer.
Okay, Vinayak, make the sentences. I was a teacher.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Wait a minute. I think Vinayak
I was a
got a lot of.
Hello.
Yeah, Vinayak.
सर ऐका ना, मला फक्त सर हे सांगा ना की वॉशच्या ऐवजी काय वापरायचं, म्हणजे तुम्ही आधी सांगितलेलं.
I was M च्या ऐवजी was वापरायचा आहे. R च्या ऐवजी were वापरायचा आहे. Is च्या ऐवजी was वापरायचा आहे. Vinayak, you got a lot of disturbance. So I think
Yes,
you need to mute yourself.
Yes.
Okay. M च्या ऐवजी was वापरायचा आहे. R च्या ऐवजी were वापरायचा आहे आणि is च्या ऐवजी was वापरायचा आहे. All right.
Can I take, sir, can we take any subject?
Yeah, you can take here, you can take these words and you can take your subjects also. You can take your subjects also, your nouns also, and you can take these words also. All right. So now we are going to work on next. All right, Sunita ji, make the sentences. I was a teacher.
I was a teacher. We were a teacher.
Oh,
You-
no. We were teachers.
Sorry. I was a teacher. We were teachers. You were a teacher. You were teachers. They were teachers. Ram and Sham were teachers. These were teachers. Those were teachers. He was a teacher. She was a teacher. Ram was a teacher. This was a teacher. That was a teacher.
I was a player.
I was a player. We were players. You were a player. You were players. They were players. Ram and Sham were players. These were players. Those were players. He was a player. She was a player. Ram was a player. This was a player. That was a player.
Very good, very good. Good job, good job. Now, Aman, you are making the negative sentences. I was not an umpire.
I was not an umpire.
Aman, you are making the negative sentences. Okay, Uday Mehta, you make the negative sentences. I was not an umpire.
I was not an umpire. We were not an umpire.
अनेक
You-
वचनासोबत an येणार नाही.
Sorry. I was not umpire. We were not umpires. You were not umpire. You were not umpires. They were not umpires. Ram and Sham were not umpires. These were not umpires. Those were not umpires. He was not
an umpire.
He was not umpire. She was not umpire. Ram was not umpire. This was
Not an
This-
umpire. Ram
not an-
was not an umpire.
an
एक
umpire.
सोबत an घ्यायचा आहे. He was
Okay,
not
sir.
an umpire. बोला.
He was not an umpire. She was not an umpire. Ram was not an umpire. This was not an umpire. That was not an umpire.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Nachiket, make the questions. Was I a doctor? Nachiket,
Hello, sir.
make the questions. Was I a doctor?
Hello, sir. Can you repeat again?
The third column. Can you see the third column?
Was I doctor?
Start.
Was I doctor? Were we doctors? Were you doctor? Were you doctors? Were you doctors?
Were
Were
they
they doctors?
doctors?
Were Ram and Sham
Were Ram
doctor?
and Sham doctors?
Were these
Were
doctors?
these doctors?
Were
Were
those
those doctors?
were those doctors? Was he doctor? Was she doctor? Was Ram doctor? Was this doctor? Was that doctor?
Was that a doctor? Was he a doctor? Make again. Was he a doctor?
Was he a doctor? Was she a doctor? Was Ram a doctor? Was this a doctor? Was that a doctors?
Doctor.
Doctor.
That is singular, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, make again. Was I a player?
Was I a player? Were we players? Were you players?
A player. Were you a player?
Were you a
First you is a singular you and second you is a plural you. Were you a player? Start.
were you players? Were they players? Were Ram and Sham are were Ram and Sham players? Were these players? Were those players? Was he a player? Was she a player? Was Ram a player? Was this a player? Was that a player?
Very good, very good. Sunita, make the questions. Wasn't I a doc? Wasn't I an office? Wasn't I a singer?
Wasn't I a singer? Weren't we singers? Weren't you a singers? Weren't you singers? Weren't they singers? Weren't Ram and Sham singers? Weren't these singers? Weren't those singers? Wasn't he a singer? Wasn't she a singer? Wasn't Ram a singer? Wasn't this a singer? Wasn't that a singer?
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in this way, you need to use these all common nouns in that table, and you have to make the sentences, and you write down your sentences here. Okay, write down your sentences here in these blank lines. You can write down the sentences. Now, Avedna, Avedna. Yeah, Ganesh, repeat after
Yes,
me.
sir. Yes.
Avedna, repeat after me. It was a hospital.
It was a hospital.
This was a hospital.
This was a hospital.
That was a hospital.
That was a hospital.
They were hospitals.
They were hospitals.
These were hospitals.
These were hospitals.
Those were hospitals.
Those were hospitals.
Yeah, make the sentences. It was a supermarket.
It was a supermarket. This was a supermarket. This was a supermarket. There were a supermarkets.
They were.
They were a supermarkets.
Or not. That is a plural, you know. Those are the plurals. So you are making they were supermarkets.
They were supermarkets. These were supermarkets. Those were supermarkets.
Very good. It was a college.
It was a college. This was a college. That was a colleges.
No, that was a college.
That was a college.
Now plural. They were colleges.
They were colleges. These were colleges. Those were colleges.
Very good. Good job. Ganesh, make the questions. It wasn't a hospital.
It wasn't a hospital. This wasn't a hospital. That wasn't a hospital. This wasn't hospitals.
They weren't hospitals.
They weren't hospitals. This weren't hospitals. Those weren't hospitals.
It wasn't a school.
It wasn't a school. This wasn't a school. That wasn't a school. They wasn't schools.
They weren't schools.
They weren't schools. This weren't schools. Those weren't schools.
It wasn't an academy.
It wasn't an academy. This wasn't an academy. That wasn't an academy.
They weren't academies.
Weren't academies. This weren't academies. Those weren't academies.
Very good. Good job. Yeah. Now, Sunita ji, you are making the questions. Was it a university?
Was it a university? Was this a university? Was that a university? Were they universities? Were these universities? Were those universities?
Was it a playground?
Was it a playground? Was this a playground? Was that a playground? Were they playgrounds? Were these playgrounds? Were those playgrounds?
Okay, Nachiket, make the questions. Wasn't it a mobile?
Wasn't it a mobile? Wasn't it this a mobile? Wasn't
Okay, Swati ji, make the questions. Wasn't it a mobile?
Wasn't it a mobile? Wasn't this a mobile? Wasn't that a mobile? Weren't they mobiles? Weren't these mobiles? Weren't these those mobiles?
Wasn't it a suggestion?
Wasn't it a suggestion? Wasn't it this a suggestion? Wasn't that a suggestion? Weren't they suggestions? Weren't these suggestions? Weren't those suggestions?
Very good. In this way, we have completed our fifth test today, and now we are going to work on the sixth test. So sixth test is about to be forms future. Sixth test is about to be forms future. So here we use shall be and will be. गणेश, हे पण फार सोपं आहे. MR is च्या ऐवजी फक्त will be वापरायचं आहे. shall be वापरलं नाही तरी चालेल, फक्त will be वापरलं तरी चालेल. ओके, परंतु जर तुम्हाला अजून इफेक्टिव्ह वाक्य बनवायचं असेल तर आय आणि वी बरोबर shall be वापरायचं आणि बाकी सर्वांच्या बरोबर will be वापरायचं. एक वचनचा अनेक वचनचा सेम नियम प्रेझेंट पास्ट फ्युचरचा सेम नियम फ्युचरला आहे. ऑलराईट.
पुन्हा एकदा सांगा. आय वी बरोबर शाल.
आय आणि वी बरोबर शाल बी वापरायचं आहे.
ओके.
आणि बाकीचे जे प्रोनाउन्स आहेत यू यू दे सर्व प्रोनाउन्स बरोबर विल बी वापरायचं आहे.
ओके ओके.
ओके. आणि याचा अर्थ पण सांगतोय मी सर्वांना, एकदा शांतपणे ऐकून घ्या. आय शॅल बी अ डॉक्टर म्हणजे मी डॉक्टर असेन. वी शॅल बी डॉक्टर्स म्हणजे आम्ही डॉक्टर्स असू. यू विल बी अ डॉक्टर म्हणजे तू डॉक्टर असशील. यू विल बी डॉक्टर्स म्हणजे तुम्ही डॉक्टर असाल. दे विल बी डॉक्टर्स ते डॉक्टर्स असतील. राम अँड श्याम विल बी डॉक्टर्स राम अँड श्याम डॉक्टर्स असतील. दीज विल बी डॉक्टर्स तो डॉक्टर असेल. ते डॉक्टर्स असतील. हे डॉक्टर्स असतील. दोज विल बी डॉक्टर्स ते डॉक्टर्स असतील. ही विल बी अ डॉक्टर तो डॉक्टर असेल. शी विल बी अ डॉक्टर ती डॉक्टर असेल. राम विल बी अ डॉक्टर राम डॉक्टर असेल. दिस विल बी अ डॉक्टर हा डॉक्टर असेल. दॅट विल बी अ डॉक्टर तो डॉक्टर असेल. ओके. विनायक पळीकर, आवाज कमी झाला का तुमच्या इकडे?
इथे खूप क्लाउड चालू आहे.
ओके ओके चालेल. ओके फाईन, नो प्रॉब्लेम. ओके. उदय मेहता, मेक द सेंटेन्सेस. मेक द सेंटेन्सेस.
हाँ, sir.
शॅल बी अ प्लेयर.
Yes, sir. I shall be a player. We shall be players. You will be player. You will be players. They will be players. Ram and Sham will be players. These will be players. Those will be players. He will be a player. She will be a player. Ram will be a player. This will be a player. That will be a player.
Wow, great, 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 Udayji, nice. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I shall be a driver. Again, one more. I shall be a driver.
I shall be a driver. We shall be drivers. You will be a driver. You will be drivers. They will be drivers. Ram and Sham will be drivers. These will be drivers. Those will be drivers. He will be driver. She will be driver. Sorry, he will be a driver. She will be a driver. Ram will be a driver. This will be a driver. That will be a driver.
Okay, Swati madam, make negative sentences. I shall not be. असं बोलायचं. I shall not be a doctor. We shall not be doctors. And you won't be a doctor बोललं तरी चालेल. You won't be doctors. They won't be doctors. Ram and Sham won't be doctors. These won't be doctors. Those won't be doctors. He won't be a doctor. She won't be a doctor. Ram won't be a doctor. This won't be a doctor. That won't be a doctor. Okay? Yes, start.
I shall not be na. I shall not be a doctor.
I shall not be a pilot.
Pilot. Okay. I shall not be a pilot. We shall not be pilots. You shall not be a pilot. You won't be.
Won't be nahi. Won't.
Won't. Okay. You won't be pilots. They won't be pilots. Ram and Sham won't be pilots. These won't be pilots. Those won't be pilots. He won't be a pilot. She won't be a pilot. Ram won't be a pilot. These won't be a pilot. That won't be a pilot.
Correct. I shall not be a. Aman, make the sentences, negative sentences. I shall not be a minister.
I shall not be a minister. We shall not be ministers. You won't be a minister. You won't be ministers. They won't be ministers. Ram and Shyam won't be ministers. These won't be ministers. Those won't be ministers. He won't be a minister. She won't be a minister. Ram won't be a minister. This won't be a minister. That won't be a minister.
Very good. Good job. All right. Now next, repeat after me, Ganesh. Shall I be a doctor?
Shall I be a doctor?
Shall we be doctors?
Shall
we be doctors?
Shall we be doctors?
Third column चालू आहे आपला. Third column. Okay. Will you be a doctor?
Will you be a doctor?
Will you be doctors?
Will you be doctors?
Will they be doctors?
Will they be doctors?
Will Ram and Shyam be doctors?
Will Ram and Shyam be doctors?
Will these be doctors?
Will these be doctors?
Will those be doctors?
Will those be doctors?
Will he be a doctor?
Will he be a doctor?
Will she be a doctor?
Will she be a doctor?
Will Ram be a doctor?
Will Ram be a doctor?
Will this be a doctor?
Will this be a doctor?
Will that be a doctor?
Will that be a doctor?
Shall I be? समजलं? बनवू शकता का?
हो सर.
Shall I be a player? बनवा.
Shall I be a player? Shall we be players? Will you be player? Will you be player?
A player.
A player. Will you be a player? Will they be players? बरोबर का सर?
Correct. हाँ.
Will they be players? Will Ram and Shyam be players? Will these be players? Will those be players? Will he be player? Will
A
she
player. A player. हे सर्व एकच नाही.
हाँ. Will he be a player? Will she be a player? Will Ram be a player? Will this be a player? Will that be a player?
Okay, Ronak, make the questions. Shall I not be a player? Shall we not be players? Won't you be a player? Won't you be players? Won't they be players? Okay, I'll make the questions. Shall I not be a player?
Shan't I be player? Shan't we be player? Shan't you be a player? Be player. Players. Won't Ram and Shyam be players? Won't those be players? Won't he be a player? Won't she be a player? Won't Ram be a player? Won't this be a player? Won't that be a player?
Very good. Okay, in this way we completed this. Now you have to use these common nouns and make the take the structure from that above table and make the sentences here. Okay, now with the things we are going to use to be forms future with the things. All right, yeah. Aman, Karan.
Hello sir.
Karan, make the sentences.
Hello.
Yes.
सर ऐका ना, मला डाऊट होतं की वरती सर जेवढे पण ऑप्शन दिलेत ना तुम्ही, तर त्या पद्धतीने म्हणजे खाली जे वाक्य आता जे वाक्य असेल या पद्धतीने ते वाक्य बनवायचे आहेत का?
हो बरोबर आहे.
तेवढे सगळे वाक्य ना सर?
हो, सर्व वाक्य बनवायचे आणि पेज वरती लिहायचे आणि ते पेजचा फोटो घ्यायचा, त्याचं PDF बनवायचं आणि मला मेल करायचं.
ओके सर, ठीक आहे सर.
Okay,
can you please put your mail ID?
Yes. At the end of the class, I will put the mail ID in the chat box. Okay, and I'm going to tell you mail ID. Mail ID is very simple: inspiringenglishacademy@gmail.com. Okay.
Sir, I can. Hello.
All letters are small, no?
All letters are small. Right?
सर ऐका ना, हे किती दिवसात द्यावं लागेल तुम्हाला?
पुढच्या 5 दिवसामध्ये, पुढच्या शुक्रवारपर्यंत. का? कारण का पुढच्या शुक्रवारी परत तुम्हाला नवीन 10 टेस्ट मिळणार.
सर मला देता नाही येणार कारण की आमचे पेपर आहे सर.
Okay, fine. All right. Now just repeat after me. Karan, repeat after me. It will be a school.
It will be a school.
This will be a school.
This will be a school.
That will be a school.
That will be a school.
They will be schools.
There will be school.
These will be schools.
This will be school.
Those will be schools.
Those will be schools.
Okay, make the sentences quick. It will be a supermarket. Yeah.
It will be a supermarket. This will be a supermarket. That will be supermarket. They will be supermarket. Those will be supermarket. Those will be supermarket.
It will be a hospital.
It will be hospital. This will be hospital. That will be hospital. They will be hospitals. Those will be hospitals. Those will be hospitals.
Okay, Udayji, make the sentences. It won't be a dictionary.
It won't be a dictionary. This won't be a dictionary. That won't be a dictionary. They won't be dictionaries. These won't be dictionaries. Those won't be dictionaries.
Avedna, make the questions. Will it be a supermarket? Third
Will it-
column. Will it be a supermarket?
Will it be a supermarket? Will this be a supermarket? Will that be a supermarket? Will they be supermarkets? Will these be supermarkets? Will those be supermarkets?
Will it be a temple?
Will it be a temple? Will this be a temple? Will that be a temple? Will they be temples? Will these be temples? Will those be temples?
Very good. Swati Kadam, make the questions. Won't it be a college?
Won't it be a college? Will
Won't this be a college? Huh?
we will
Fourth column, last column. Won't
Last
it be a college? Huh?
won't it be college? Won't this be college? Won't that be college? Won't they be colleges?
Yes.
Won't these be colleges? Won't those be colleges?
Won't it be a supermarket?
Won't it be supermarket? Won't this be supermarket? Won't that be supermarket? Won't they be supermarkets? Won't these be supermarkets? Won't those be supermarkets?
Very good. Got it? In this way, we have completed this test. We have completed the test number 6. Now, do you want to learn more other tests, or is it enough for today?
Okay, sir.